Hello guys, I'm Noah and welcome to this first Kiluba tutorial. Today we are going to talk about greetings in Kiluba, how to greet someone in Kiluba. So, to greet someone in Kiluba, we say Tubaymunai. Tubaymunai means hello or good morning. Or if someone tells you Tubaymunai, you respond Eyo VJ, which means yes, thank you. If you are a male and you respond moi, which means yes, thank you, if you are a female. And you can also add wafwako, which means thank you if it is a single person, or mwafwaiko if there are many people. Or you could also say mwafwaiko in both cases. Mwafwaiko means to be respectful. And that's the first part. So if someone greets you in Kiluba saying Tubaymunai, if you are a male, you could answer Eyo and if you are a female, you say Eyo. And then you could also add Wafwako, and then you say Tubaymunai. So the second part is how to present yourself in Kiluba. So for example, if your name is Noah, you could say Dijna Jami I Noah, or you could say Diami Dijna I Noah, which means my name is Noah. And if you want to ask the question to somebody saying what is your name, you could say Dijna Diobe Yani, which means what is your name, or you could say Diobe Uyani, which means what is yours. After that, how to ask someone how he is in Kiluba. We say it in one word, which means Sapulanga. Sapulanga means how are you in Kiluba. And if you ask someone how are you, Sapulanga, he could answer Ami Ndi Biyampe, which means I'm doing good, or I'm doing fine, I'm well, etc. Or he could just say Biyampe, which means good, well, alright, etc. And if you want to ask what about you, or if someone asks you what about you in Kiluba, you would say Abe Uji Namani. Abe Uji Namani, which means what about you? And you would say Nami Ndi Biyampe, which means I am also good, I am also fine, I am also alright. So we are going to revise. Luimu means greetings in Kiluba. To say hello in Kiluba, we say it Tubaymunai. And if someone tells you Tubaymunai, you say Eyo VJ if you are a male, and you say Eyo moi if you are a female. And you could also add Wafaku or Mofaiku, which means thank you. And to present yourself, you say Diami Dijina Inoa. If your name is Mark, for example, you could say Diami Dijina I Mark. If your name is Ekon, for example, you could say Diami Dijina I Ekon. If your name is John, for example, you could say Diami Dijina I John. And to ask someone what is your name, you could say Dijna Diobe Yani, or you could say Diobe Wiani, which means what is yours or what is your name. And to ask someone how are you, how it is, you can say Sapulanga. Sapulanga means how are you. And to say I'm doing well, we say Ami ndi biampe. Biampe means well. Ami ndi biampe. And to ask the other person, what about you? You would say Abe ujinamani, which means what about you? And then you could answer, or you could answer Nami ndi biampe, which means I'm also good, or I'm also fine. Thank you guys, that is all for today, and we'll see each other in the next video. Please follow and subscribe. You could also check the links below to my other social profile. Thank you guys, see you, bye.